Hi friend, Marian Santos here signing at our channel. We're in Batangas. So let's study God's words today. Find the lost from Didake. So in Bible verse niya is from Luke chapter 15 verse 10. There will be rejoicing among the angels of God over one sinner who repents. Wow. What a very timely Bible verse, diba? Find the lost, and Luke 15 verse 10. So parang we are saying na are we lost? Are we also needing forgiveness from the Lord, from our parents, from our boss, from our children, from our spouses? Sabi niya, let's talk reality. If you had 10 1 peso coins and misplaced one, would you look for it? If you have 100 chickens and lost one, would you spend time finding it? So most people daw na inas ni Brother Bogs Burgos would say no, kasi why will we spend time daw for 1 peso or for 1 chicken? So parang they'd rather spend time earning 10 times more of what they're lost. Parang, and time waits for no man, sabi niya. But sabi ni Brother Bogs, our Lord, our Father in heaven is not like that. So parang, di ba, sabi nga ng parable ng Luke 15, kahit na isang sheep yung nawala, parang the Lord finds for that lost sheep. Just like us, di ba, we got lost, we got wayward, we lost faith, we lost, parang yun, we stumble. But still, no, God looks for that one sinner, for that one lost soul, one lost person. So sabi ni Brother, let's go out of church and seek the lost in God's kingdom. So friend, yun, bringing back people back to God, realizing yung faith nila, and that the Lord will be the only person who could save them. Write down 2 names of people whom seem lost. Pray for them every day. If possible, speak to them daily also. Father, discern me that I may not go out of church and seek the lost. That I may go out of church and seek the lost. Grant me the courage to talk to people. Help me bring them home into your loving presence. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.